What's up, guys, and welcome back to another Crazy Kayla's Curls video. What's up, everybody? I hope everyone is having a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever time it is where you are. I hope you are having a wonderful one. Welcome back. If you are new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and make sure to hit the notifications bell so you never miss when Kayla's Curls uploads here on YouTube. Let's get started. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my deep condition treatment in the winter. Now, majority of the time I am leaving my hair in buns and ponies and just letting it do its thing, letting it get really wild. And as you guys can see, my hair is really wild right now. It's knotted, it's matted, it's dry, and that's because I haven't been doing my hair. So whenever my hair needs some extra love and extra moisture, I like to bring the deep conditioning treatment that gives my hair a lot of moisture, shine, and definition once I style. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my deep conditioning treatment with the simple 2 items that you can easily purchase at your drugstore or beauty supply store, or even on Amazon. So let's get started. I will always start with a moisturizing conditioner. It can be any brand as long as it moisturizes and, you know, gives your hair a lot of slip. So today I will be trying something a little bit different. I will be trying out this Pantene Pro V Sheer Volume Conditioner. Okay, and I'll be using this for my deep conditioning treatment. You can use whatever conditioner you have on hand, but today I'll be trying out this buddy. The second item you will need is an oil. My oil of choice is going to be this black castor oil, as black castor oil is my favorite oil so far since I've been on my natural hair journey, and this is a great moisturizing agent as well as it does promote hair growth. So I'll be using this as my oil. You can use whatever oil you have on hand or what you like to use for moisturizing purposes. So I'm going to be doing 2 different batches, just one for each side. As you can see, my hair is fairly thick and I have a lot of hair, so I'm going to be needing a lot of this mixture. And I start off by putting a good amount of conditioner. I'm gonna put you guys down a little bit. So I'm putting my conditioner in, and you can put as much as you want. If your hair is thinner or thicker, you put as much as you prefer, and I'll be doing the same. So I'm just gonna be putting enough where I know it will be good enough for half of my head. And you can put a lot. I don't mind being heavy-handed. The more the better. That adds a lot of extra moisture into your hair. So there we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the black castor oil, and this is the Sunny Isle extra dark black castor oil, and this stuff works great. So I just put like about a tablespoon, just a good amount. If you want to have enough oil in there where it will help to actually moisturize your hair. And now this is optional. I just like to use these 2 straws. I have a whole bunch of straws, so I just use it to mix them, and you can just see the conditioner and the black castor oil mixing pretty well. I actually decided that I'm just going to use a makeup brush that I'm not using just to mix, because those straws is just taking forever. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to start applying to my hair. Now, I know a lot of people are gonna be like, how is that a treatment? Well, this is a very good treatment because you're mixing an oil with a conditioner, and I'm gonna be letting that sit in my hair for a while so it can get really, really deep into my hair roots and give it a good moisture. And I'll also show you guys another hack in making it a lot better. So I'm just gonna section one half. I'm basically gonna do like 4 sections with this. That way it'll be even a lot easier as well to detangle when I wash. So let me go ahead and apply the deep conditioner. You want to make sure to get the ends as well. That way your ends get a good condition. While we're doing that, I just want to say this is a great way to put moisture back in your hair, and just an easier alternative than buying expensive, you know, conditioning treatment products. So I like to do this when my hair is feeling really dry, or I take a good break from styling it. This will just really revamp my curls, and my curls will be bouncy and shiny again. So making sure to add a good amount to this section. You're gonna make sure to get on your ends and near your roots, because a lot of people think that just conditioning your ends helps, but also the roots need some love too, especially if you have curly hair, because sometimes curly hair is like left in a style for a while, and then yeah, your roots need moisturizing too. So I just keep applying until I get a good amount. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep applying to this section. And you can already see my curls starting to, you know, get moisturized and already starting to get bouncy. Hence why I love to do this deep conditioning treatment, because my hair gets super defined. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have probably already seen when I did a treatment a couple weeks ago, and I posted it on Instagram. So yeah, it was a very inexpensive way to deep condition my hair and give it a nice little treatment by adding some castor oil. As you guys know, oil itself is a great treatment to repairing your hair. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys how I style my hair. Just for this portion, I just want to show you guys how I deep condition and how I wash it and stuff. And then next time, you guys will see how I style my hair in the winter, what I like to use when I style my hair. I'm going to take a handful actually, and yeah, make sure I get it all over, and then I'm just going to twist it in a single bun. So that is really all I do when I'm doing a deep conditioning treatment. I'll make the conditioner in the black castor oil, and then I'll just apply it to my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply. I'm gonna fast forward because I've kind of already explained how I apply the product, and it's kind of straightforward on how to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through, and then once I get near to the end, I'll come back and I'll show you guys what I do next to get this treatment in that hair. So I will go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so now I have finally finished putting all of the sections in buns, aka applying the conditioner. Now I have another step that's very crucial and will automatically help your hair to soak up the conditioning treatment a lot better, which will create heat. I'm actually going to be using a bag, shopping bag that clearly is not being in use right now. You can use a shower cap, but unfortunately your girl ain't rich and I like to save these bags, so I may as well use it for my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. And this will help to create heat in your hair and just like help the conditioner to saturate deeper into each strand of hair, which is why I like to wrap it in buns. That way when I put this on, it will give my hair time to sit and soak in the buns, because I lathered each section with the conditioner. So I'm just going to use a hair tie to tie it at the back. What I like to do to add as, you know, extra heat to my hair is I like to use a scarf. So I'm just going to put my scarf on. And this is just going to give extra warmth to the hair. And I just wrap it around like a bun. I know I look a little crazy, but you guys, if you want your hair to be nice and moisturized, especially in the winter, you want to, you know, do things for your hair that are going to keep it moisturized. So now what I like to do is I just like to sit for about an hour to 2 hours, and I just chill out, watch movies, watch a show, or just spend time with my family. And then after about 2 hours, I will shampoo and condition my hair. And today I'm going to be using this Tresemme Moisture Rich shampoo for my shampoo, of course. And for my conditioner, I'm actually going to be going in with my Dove Daily Moisture Hydration Conditioner, which I won't be needing much because I will be detangling my hair once I hop in the shower. So I'm gonna go ahead, let this sit for 2 hours, and I'll see you guys in my shower. And for you guys, see you there right now. So now that it's been 2 hours, I'm going to go ahead and take this scarf and this plastic bag off of my head so that I can start my wash day routine. So I'm just going to take this bag off, and then I'm going to take down the buns that have been sitting in the deep conditioning treatment. And I just wanted to kind of show you guys how my hair looked. It looks like it's weighed down and elongated, and you could just see that it's been drenched and soaked in the deep conditioning treatment, which is a great thing. And you could just see that the moisture was working its magic in my hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and start detangling my hair, keeping my hair in the 4 sections. I'm going to start detangling with my water comb, as you guys can see. You can use whatever type of detangling method that you want, but on this day I wanted to use my water comb to detangle. So I'm just going to go ahead and detangle my hair, and then I'll show you guys what I do next on my wash day routine after deep conditioning treatment. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like after I detangle my hair. It is looking nice and moisturized, and those curls are popping. They are popping. They are popping, sis. So now I'm going to go ahead and rinse that conditioner out of my hair. And then I'm back so that I can start shampooing my hair. So this is what it looks like so far. As you guys can see, my hair is feeling super soft and moisturized. And I cannot wait to see the results when I'm done doing my hair. Anyways, now I'm going to take my Tresemme Moisture Rich shampoo, and I'm going to start to shampoo my hair. I'm going to take a good amount, and I'm going to lather that from my scalp to my ends. And you always want to massage your scalp with the pads of your fingertips and not your nails, just because you don't want to scratch that scalp. You just want to give your scalp a good massage to get it as clean as you can. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then just drag the shampoo down as I go along, and then that's what's going to get your ends nice and clean as well, because some people like to forget their ends, but don't forget your ends, baby. So now I'm done shampooing. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that out. And then here we are. I'm back here for you guys to see my hair again. And my hair is feeling so clean, still feeling soft because I did use that moisture-rich shampoo. So that's what it's looking like. Now I'm gonna give my hair one nice light deep condition in the shower. And I'm just gonna be using this daily moisture-rich shampoo from Dove, and I'm going to use a good amount. I go heavy-handed because y'all know if you're a curly head, you know that you need lots of conditioner to give your hair some nice moisture. So I'm just going to go ahead to apply that to my hair and making sure I get my ends and my hair at my roots as well to give that hair a nice condition after a shampoo. So now that I'm done applying the conditioner to my hair, I'm going to go ahead and wrap my hair in a bun so that the conditioner can get evenly distributed all out. And then I'm going to just let it sit for about 10 minutes while I have a quick shower. And now that I'm done letting it sit, we're going to go back in and rinse this conditioner out of my hair. Alright guys, so my hair is finally finished wash day, aka the day that I like to do my deep conditioning. I do them every week to every other week. It depends on how I style my hair, but this is how my hair is looking like. You guys, my hair feels super soft and it's looking so defined and so clean. Now that I'm done, I will style it and then I'll either leave it overnight or I'll be out for the day. I just want to show you guys my deep conditioning treatment and how I do it and what products I use, which help my hair to get super moisturized. And you guys, all you need is conditioner and an oil and your hair will come out amazing. So yeah, my hair is super soft and ready to get styled, which I will show you guys a little clip of me just to end the video off when I'm done styling my hair. So most likely that'll be tomorrow, but don't worry you guys will see the products that I'm going to be using to style my hair in the next video. So it'll just be a winter wash and go. So yeah, so this is what my hair looks like. I'll give you guys a little turnaround. So now I'm just gonna throw my hair in a bun and I'm gonna clean up this mess, style my hair, and I'll see you guys in the last clip when I finish doing my hair so you guys can see how my hair looks after a very moisturizing deep conditioning treatment. You guys, my hair gets super moisturized and super defined when I do my deep conditioning treatments. So flash forward to about 2 or 3 days later, I finally did my wash and go, and this is the results of my wash and go. My hair came out so shiny, so defined, and so moisturized. My hair felt so soft on my fingertips. I was just really impressed with the results. And do not worry guys, you guys will get all the details of this wash and go, which will be in my next video. So make sure to stay tuned. Leave your nice comments down below. Give me a big like and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. And I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Thanks so much for coming to a Kayla's Curls video, and I'll see you in the next one.